Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Amazon Web Services, AWS, Secrets Manager helps you protect access to your applications, services, and IT resources. You can create, store, and manage your secrets using Secrets Manager. To work with Secrets Manager in Python, you can use the boto3 library, which is the AWS SDK for Python. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to work with Secrets Manager in Python using boto3. 1. Install the boto3 library if you haven't already. 2. Create an AWS IAM user with appropriate permissions to access Secrets Manager. Make sure to save the access key and secret key for this user. 3. Initialize the boto3 client for Secrets Manager in Python. 4. Retrieve a secret from Secrets Manager. 5. Create a new secret in Secrets Manager. 6. Update a secret in Secrets Manager. This tutorial covers the basic operations you can perform with Secrets Manager in Python using boto3. Remember to replace your _AWS _region, your _access _key _ID, your _secret _key, your _secret _name, new _secret _name, and existing _secret _name with your own values. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.